Welcome once again. We are happy to announce that Kucoin and Kraken exchange are planning to burn over 20 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Of course, Kucoin should be one of the top supporters of Terra Classic and Kraken, including Crypto.com and Gear.io. So I believe that yes, Kucoin and Kraken can burn about 20 billion coins. These two exchanges have great community. They control millions of dollars on a daily basis, and of course they are ranked among the top crypto exchanges in the world. Now planning on using both the tax bond and also planning on burning Terra Classic LUNC, I believe that they can achieve that. And although they never mention if this achievement definitely they want to burn this number of coins in a single month or in a single year, or given the time frame, but I still believe that for me, in 3 months or in 6 months they can achieve that. Definitely in 6 months they can achieve that, but we wish to see them achieving this great number within 3 months. Burning over 20 billion is not going to be easy because of Binance alone are able to destroy over 30 billion in months, and they are control over more than half of Terra Classic trading volume on a daily basis. So for me, I don't think that Kucoin and Kraken can achieve 20 billion bonds, except that if they have Terra Classic or if they own some of Terra Classic coin as an exchange and they are planning to burn some percentage of their holding. Of course, there is a possibility. That is where we believe that okay, maybe they plan to burn huge, but trying to burn it just the way Binance have been burning, definitely it will take these two exchange a very long period of time in order to burn such number of coins. Okay, so I believe that one day definitely Terra Classic exchanges will engage more on helping on burning Terra Classic coin, just like Kucoin and Kraken. Now 20 billion bond is a huge coin. 20 billion bond is a lot of coins, so and it's also a lot of money, but I believe there's a possibility that yes, Kucoin and Kraken exchange can definitely do that, because you don't know the deal, you don't know the project, you don't know the plans they have right now. So anything can happen. There is nothing that is impossible. Okay, especially in my personal dictionary, I believe everything is possible. So Kucoin and Kraken, let's hope and see if they are really going to support Terra Classic LUNC so greatly. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Once again, thank you for stopping by.